So this is an indices, and for you to solve an indices, let's have the solution to this is very easy. All right. So what we're going to do is 8 raised to power 4 divided. So we can put it like this: 32 raised to power 2 over 5. So there are two ways in which you can do it. All right. So this 8, we take it to the index of 2. So 2, 8, you can, if you cannot find it, if you don't know it offhand, you can come in and say, okay, 8, 2 in 8, that is 4, 2 in 4, that is 2, 2 in 2, that is 1. So that means this 8 is 2 raised to power 3. Are you with me?
Oh, yes, Uncle.
Then you know it is raised to power 4 before. We put it raised to power 4 again. All over, everything over. Then 32. You do the same thing for 32. Are you with me? So that is 2 here 16, 2 here 8, 2 here 4, 2 here 2, 2 here 1. That is 2 raised to power 5. That is 2 raised to power 5. Then raised to power 2 raised to power 5. So now the next stage is for you. Let me check. Okay, it covers it. So the next stage is for you to now, let's open the bracket. It means 2 raised to power 3 times 4. Then this one is 2 raised to power 5 times 2 all over 5. So the 5, we cancel this 5. Are you with me?
Yes, Uncle.
So this will mean you have 2 raised to power 12 divided by 2 raised to power 2. Now there's a law of indices that says you divide, when you have division between two indices, the base here is 2. So what you are going to do is subtract the power. So that's going to be 2 raised to power 12 minus 2, and that gives 2 raised to power 10. So that's the answer. I hope that is clear. Is it clear?
Yes, Uncle.
All right. So any question?
No, Uncle. Is this recorded?
Yes, it's recorded.
Do you know how I can get the recording?
All right. So this question number 2 here is a question on indices as well. You asked to the question from what we have, you asked to work out the value of 2 raised to power 14 divided by 2 raised to power 9 to bracket raised to power 2. So you have to give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. All right, good, let's go. So the first thing is to remove the brackets. That is 2 raised to power 14 divided by, then a power raised to power another power, you're going to multiply the powers. So that means we're going
Yeah.
to say 9 times 2. Am I with you? So that will be
Yes, Uncle.
2 raised to power 9
8.
times 2. That gives 18.
Yeah.
That will be 2 raised to power
8.
14. 2 raised to power 14 divided by 2 raised to power 18. Right? Good.
Yes, Uncle.
All right. So the next is, since we have the same base and we have division between the two indices, we are going to subtract the powers. That means we have 2 raised to power 14 minus 18. And that gives 2 raised to power what? Minus 4. But the question is that, the question says we should leave our answer as a fraction. So what are we going to do? This is another law of indices that is coming to play right now. So this negative power you have there, you change it to 1 over, then 2 raised to power 4. You can see it has turned to fraction, right? So then we
Yes,
can
Uncle.
have 1 all over 2 raised to power 4 is 16. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 16. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. So the answer is 1 over 16. Is that clear?
Yes, Uncle.
Alright, good. So that is that on this. Let's move to the next question. Alright, this is the third one, and we are given these two expressions, these equations. So one expression on the left hand side equals to another quadratic expression on the right hand side. So what you are going to do here is very simple, and we're going to have we're going to do this. We are going to expand the first bracket, the left hand side, and that will give us x squared, all right, plus 3ax, then plus ax, then plus 3a squared equals to x squared plus bx plus 75. All right, so this is going to give us x squared plus 4ax, because 3ax plus ax is equal to 4ax, then plus 3a squared equals to x squared plus bx plus 75. So what you are going to notice here is that x, are you with me? X squared
Yes, Uncle.
is the same thing as x squared. All right, 4ax is the same thing as what? Bx. They both have x. All right, so which means
Yes,
we
Uncle.
can write 4ax equals to bx. Am I making sense?
Yes, Uncle.
Then the same thing, 3a squared is the same thing as what? 75. So we can write 3a squared is equal to 75. Now, so the question now is this. We can find the value of a. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. We can find the value of a from this equation 2. So that means we are going to have a squared equal to 75 divided by 3, which will give us what? 25. Then a equals to square root of 25, and that gives what? 5. Am I with you?
Ooh.
Am I with you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, Uncle.
You see
Yes,
this,
Uncle.
this place, they are together. Huh?
Okay.
Now, having known the value of a, we can substitute the value of a into equation 1. So we can say substitute a equals to 5 in 1. And 1 is 4ax equals to bx. So wherever we see a, we put 5 there. That will be what? 4 times 5, then times x equals to bx. So this is going to give us 20x equals to bx. What we are looking for is b, because the question says we should find the two possible values of sorry, there is a mistake here. When you find the square root of a number, so this is supposed to be plus or minus. Not really a mistake, but I'm supposed to put that. So these are going to be plus or minus 5. So which means the value of a is 5 or minus 5. Now we are using a equals to 5 now. So since it's a, b we are looking for, we divide both sides by x. So x we cancel x. Therefore b is equal to 20. That's the first value of x. Then the same thing we can also as well make use of a to be equals to minus 5. If a is equal to minus 5, all right, so that means we are going to put minus 5 here. This will give us minus 20x equals to bx. So that means x cancel x will also cancel x, then b equals to minus 20. So the possible values, two values of b is equal to minus 20 is 20, or minus 20. So that's the answer. I hope this is clear.
Yes, Uncle.
All right.